is a room tour of room 14334. It's an AquaTheater 1-bedroom suite. As you come into the room, there's like an entry area as you walk in. Let's turn around and see the entry area real quick. So here's our entry area. Nice big open space, makes it easy for getting luggage and if you had a scooter, things like that. So our muster station is G4 on deck 6 by the AquaTheater. So again, as we come into the room, on the right, there's a mirror and a closet and like a nice sitting area here. Okay, and then in this closet, there is plenty of hangers and it's long for hanging long things. And then on this side, you have the cooler and then several big shelves. Okay. Again, nice big mirror with a little ledge there. You can set things there. All right, as we come on into the room, you see a beautiful view on the balcony looking out onto the AquaTheater. But here's a side table as you come in, and then you have this nice sitting area. There is a sofa, the table on each side, and 2 chairs, plenty of room. And then as we come back over here, there's a dining table, and then from the sofa it's real easy to see the TV as well. Big, nice big TV. A lot of cruise ships don't have those big TVs. And then off to the side over here is a vanity area, which is really nice. There's drawers, shelving, and the coffee maker is over here, which is nice. It's not in the bedroom. So if somebody's in there sleeping, somebody wants to make coffee out here, it's not noisy. And you have 2 plugs over here on this side. And then it looks like European plugs down here. And then the switches for the lights around the mirror. And then in the cabinets on each side, there's shelving. And then again, we have the drawers down below. There's the breakfast menu. It's interesting that the inside of these drawers are yellow. And then I'm guessing the hairdryer may be over here somewhere. Here's our hairdryer. It looks decent. Better than some hairdryers, but I still recommend bringing your own. There's a little drawer here for more papers and things. And again, you got your coffee station. It's the Lavazza coffee pods. It's all good, okay. And then we'll go check out the bedroom and then go out onto the balcony, which is the best part of the whole room. Okay, so as we come into the bedroom, there's doors to the balcony from the living area and also from the bedroom. So as you come into the bedroom, you see a nice king size bed. On each side, there's a nightstand with a drawer and shelf. Here's the phone, and there's 2 plugs on each side of the bed and 2 USB ports, which is really nice. And then there's a vanity area back behind here. A vanity area similar to the same by the coffee station. The 3 drawers, the shelving on each side, and the mirror with the lights. Plenty of room here to sit and do your makeup and things. Lots and lots of storage. Again, here on the other side of the bed, it's the other table, and again, you can see 2 American plugs, 2 USB ports. Okay, looking back around the room. Okay, then on the other side of the room, on each side, there is a large closet. We'll look at those in a minute. And then also a good size TV in here with some cabinets down below. So in these closets, this one has shelves. And this one also has the safe. So here's the shelves. Very big, nice and deep, okay? And then the safe, it's pretty big. Here's my hand for reference. So yeah, you could probably get I don't know if you could get a whole laptop in there, but definitely like iPads, things like that would fit. And then on this other side, behind the door, we have a closet with, again, plenty of hangers. You got your crown and anchor robes. And again, this is a full length closet. Lots of storage. Okay, and then we'll go into the bathroom. While this is an AquaTheater 1-bedroom suite, the bathroom only has one sink. But it does have the full-size tub. And we have the Malin and Goats products. So there is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. And the shower head is adjustable. Okay. And then pretty standard bathroom for Royal. You got your towels, toilet. There's some storage underneath the sink. And then there's shelving on each side. And the backsplash has the blue flowers here in the bathroom. We're getting an announcement. Okay, the ship announcement is done. So again, here's the shelving in the bathroom, and then there's a hook on the wall, and then there's also 2 hooks on the door. So I think that covers the bathroom and the bedroom. And with that, we will go out onto the balcony. Again, there's doors to the balcony from both the bedroom and the living room. So we're gonna go out through the bedroom door first. So we just flip up this handle, open it up, and as we walk out, first thing we see is we have a lounger, and there's some plants over here on the side. So we have a full-length lounger, and then we have a lot of seating. And we're on the Wonder of the Seas. I didn't say that earlier. We're on the Wonder of the Seas, and we are in Port Canaveral today. So you can see from our balcony, you can see back down the whole length of the ship. And also from our balcony, look all out onto Port Canaveral. And the flow rider is right above us. And I thought it might be noisy from that, but it is not. We don't hear it at all. And then we've got seating all along the sides here. So multiple chairs to sit in. And then there's a table. We've got a couple more chairs. And then this is the door here from the living room coming out. And then over here we can see we've got another chair and these planters. And you can see out onto the AquaTheater. So this is going to be really cool to sit out here and look out onto the AquaTheater. But it also wraps around back here. Wraps around back here, and there's like a little bar area where you can come back here and you can sit and you can see, here's the Ultimate Abyss slide. And then we can also see down into the AquaTheater. And we're a little concerned about the noise from the AquaTheater show. There's a show in the evening at 10:30. I'm not sure how loud that's going to be. We're going to take some video when there is a show going, so we can show what the noise level is out here and what it's like out in the room. So really looking forward to being able to watch the AquaTheater show, which is intense. That's the name of the show. Looking forward to being able to watch that from here. Okay, so with the show going, it's pretty loud outside, but in the bedroom, you don't really hear a lot. You hear some of the vibration, some of the noise, but it's not bad. And a few other random observations. We didn't talk about all the plugs over here on the vanity in the bedroom. There's extra USB plugs, and then there's regular plugs over there. So lots of plugs here in the bedroom. And then a few other random observations about the room. When you open the closet, the light comes on. That's pretty cool. And then in the bathroom, the shower is kind of narrow. It's kind of narrow, but the door opens up for you to get to the controls for the shower. So that's kind of cool that there's that. I think that's it. Oh, and there's another hair dryer in here in addition to the one that is in there by the coffee maker. So this is one of the old ones where you have to hold the button down. I think the one in there by the coffee maker is different. So again, just random observations about the room. Okay. Also in the room, there's an electronic control pad that controls your air conditioning and the lights and the blinds. So the air conditioning, you just adjust here, and they've got different options for the lights. And then there's different options for the blinds.